All right, in this section, we're going to talk about time value of money. Let's start by looking at the top row on the HP 10B2. In the upper left-hand corner, you have the N key. N stands for time periods, months or years. It could be 1, it could be 12. IYR stands for interest, rate, or yield. You enter this into the 10B2 as a whole number. The device automatically makes the conversion by moving the decimal 2 places to the left. PV stands for present value. This is a lump sum that occurs once at the beginning. PMT stands for payment. Payments are periodic. The payment does not change as long as none of the other variables in your equation change. And finally, there's FV, which stands for future value, a lump sum that occurs once at the end. Here's the hat trick with time value of money, and it always works the same way. Find 3 variables in the field, solve for the 4th. Find 3, solve for the 4th. You can also do find 4 and solve for the 5th, but we don't do that in Desert Pencil. We just do find 3, solve for the 4th. But these 5 keys in the top row, they're the same on any financial calculator, any spreadsheet, or any standalone program that does time value of money.